In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone has booked a meeting on Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm a booking and what details to review, so you're fully prepared. First, head to your Calendly account and open the Scheduled Events area. This is your central hub for everything that has been booked with you. Think of it as the inbox for your meetings. If someone has scheduled time, it will appear here. When the page loads, you'll see a clean list of your events organized by date and time, making it easy to scan for the booking you're expecting. If you're managing multiple event types, this is still the right place. Scheduled Events gathers them all in one view, so you don't have to jump around. Next, click on Meetings. This view focuses specifically on booked meetings associated with your account. It's the most reliable way to verify that a time slot has actually been claimed. Here, each entry typically shows the event name, the date and time, and the invitee's information at a glance. You'll see you're looking for a confirmed entry that matches the time or person you have in mind. If you're checking close to the time of booking, give the page a moment to load recent activity. Calendly updates quickly, and confirmed bookings should appear here without any extra work on your part. Once you've found the meeting you want to verify, click on Details. This is where everything comes together. The Details view reveals the full picture, the invitee's name and contact information, the exact date and start time in your account's time zone, the event type and the meeting location, such as a conferencing link or phone instructions, along with any answers the invitee provided to your intake questions. Use this page to confirm that the meeting is truly set, that the time zone aligns with your schedule, and that you have everything you need to join on time. If you see the conferencing link or location listed here, you know the logistics are finalized. If there are notes or questions included by the invitee, this is the best place to review them so you can prepare in advance. That's it. Go to Scheduled Events, open Meetings, and then check the details on the specific entry. With these 3 quick steps, you can confidently verify whether someone has booked time with you and ensure you're ready with the right information before the meeting begins.